As windy as it is right now, I just had a mosquito. And that's very rare in such high winds. Now, this campsite is a little bit messy. Apparently they have it set up with about 25 feet in between the campsites. Going back down to the boat. I don't know where Cormac went, other than taking a piss somewhere, exploring the island maybe. He was right about that sign. It just fell over. When I first got here, it was up. What does the sign say? This island is being protected as a natural area by PPL. Organized events on the island or on the lake require day use activity permit and can be obtained by contacting PPNL. Rules and regulations are open during daylight hours only. See what I was saying? Hunting and trapping not permitted. Camping and open fires are not permitted. Vehicles are not permitted on the ice. That's strange. Living or sleeping overnight on Lake Wallenpaupack is not permitted on boats. I guess we should leave the lights on. And let's go back up in the island. Stand by for station identification.